Howdy campers, Raj and I are, as you can see, set up in an exotic location, far away from civilization, and actually we're camping in the backyard. I haven't had a chance to go camping this month, and well, you can see it's beautiful out here, and last night I slept in the tent to test out my new ish. Actually, we've had them a while. I haven't slept on one till last night. Cuomo top mattress. It worked great. But that's not why we're here, is it? We're here to get drunk. It's beer testing time. Can't remember last time I had a beer. It's been a while. Had alcohol last night while I was sitting around the campfire. I sipped something, I don't know. Anyway, this is Mother Earth Brew Milk Truck Latte Stout. It's a vanilla coffee, lactose oats, 5.8% ABV. I believe Mother Earth is somewhere out here on the left coast. Vista, California, and someplace in Idaho. Nampa. Anyway, ale with natural flavor added. I like a good coffee stout. I like a vanilla stout. I like a coffee stout. I like coffee. So maybe this will be good. We'll find out. Yeah, it didn't explode. I don't know where Raja is going. Raja, where are you? Look at that. Nice and chocolatey. Great head. Smells like lactose. Not getting the vanilla, but a little coffee maybe. Okay. I guess she's curled up in a corner somewhere and taking a nap. She fussed until I let her in. Makes me nervous having a cat around the material. Oh, there you are. Hi. Are you going to say hi to the internet? No? Okay. And especially worry about her poking a hole in my mattress. But cheers. Oh, that's nice and smooth. Going up here? Raj house. Very smooth. Get the chocolate. There's a chocolate. There's no chocolate in there. It must be the vanilla, which is almost the same as chocolate, right? I'm getting chocolate. Definitely the lactose. I guess the oats are smoothing everything out. The coffee, incredibly smooth for a coffee stout or milk stout or anything like that. One of the smoothest. So on the 1 to 5 scale, it's a 4. You get a 4. It's really good. I like it. Good camping winter stout. So that's what we've got for today. We also have a cat headbutting us. Anyway, thanks for watching, and y'all have a great day, and cheers.